Everybody fucking jump!
Alright guys, welcome back to the Ozone. Let's get this started. Get a little bit of box action. Those of you who watched the last episode know what this is already. These are the women's Air Jordan 1 Low Light Iron Ore, black and Siren red. More of the new style Jordan 1 Lows. I told you I was going to show you. Hold on a second, guys. Stop this phone call. Oh my dad, you go call Vinny. That's Vinny saying he outside. That's my dad. A phone call from my dad, guys. Sorry about that. Can't do work in peace. All right, the materials on this here. Not bad, not bad. Like I said, if you guys have a chance to pick these up, you might as well pick them up. They're not too bad. I said materials are okay. Colors are okay. I just don't know why Jordan Brand waited so long to put out lows. Good material all over, see? Know what you guys think about this one. You buying these new lows? Think I'm gonna sell this pair here for sure. I think it's 9.5 men's, 11 women's. My only problem is I can't get these good, great colors and big feet style. This isn't a bad shoe. I don't know if I would buy one of these for wearing myself, but I've seen worse Jordan lows. It's the resurgence of the Jordan 1 Low. Everybody's buying them now. The highs and the mids are taking a back seat. I don't know, those breads. Everybody seems to like those patent leather breads. I can't say nothing about those. Those flew off shelves. I can't keep them in. Everybody wants some. Get you guys one more 360 with the light out. So you get a good look at the shoe. Like I said, let me know what you guys think of these new lows. They seem to be selling. The most popular one so far was that melon, or the orange and olive, whatever you want to call it, the men's. But all the rest of them have been selling. They've all been good. Alright guys, let me give you a look at what the shoe is going to be when it's on your feet. Let's move on to the next video.
Everybody fucking jump!